Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming both your Apple Watch and iPhone are updated to the latest software. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both devices and that they use the same Apple ID. Check that your iPhone is nearby and unlocked while you set up Apple Pay on your watch. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and confirm the cards appear and are ready for use. Verify region and billing address match your bank records to avoid verification issues. If a card will not work, remove it from your Apple Watch first. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Remove the problematic card and then add it again from the same Wallet and Apple Pay screen. Follow the bank verification prompts and complete any two-factor authentication or SMS code entry the issuer requires. Confirm the card now shows as active on the watch and test a small contactless payment at a terminal. If problems continue, unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone to reset the watch and clear sync data. After unpairing, repair the watch and allow it to restore from backup or set up as new if needed. Make sure wrist detection is enabled and you have a watch passcode set to permit Apple Pay transactions. Check that the card issuer supports Apple Pay and contact your bank if verification fails. Finally, reach out to Apple support if the issue persists after the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.